Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending 3/29 of 2020. This was the stock, I like to call it Fitboy, Fitb, it's Fifth Third Bank. The date was on the 25th, that was Wednesday, happened about 10:15 in the morning. Strategy based on a 60-minute wide range bar plus something and the actual entry on a 15-minute DBS. The management was simple and the reward to risk about 2.1 to 1. Before we begin, as usual, this week there happens to be nothing at DTS for free. The following week, though, we're going to have a couple things going on, so tune in for that. This is the daily chart of FITB before the day of the trade. This would be the way it looked Tuesday night. We had that wide daily bar breaking above several prior days, and then at the end of this day, it looked like this. That doesn't look like much on the daily chart, but this is not a swing trade. It had a nice intraday setup. That wide range daily bar the day prior is this wide range bar on the hourly chart, and then it kind of consolidated here throughout the day, sitting above those prior trading days, which is the first time that it had during this entire decline. Boom, that's where I ended up with the entry. This could have been played over the top, not early in the morning, but if it would have turned a little red, it could have been over the top, or it could have been played off the bottom. This is more off the bottom. It doesn't have to hit the bottom, it just has to do the correct entry near the bottom, and that's what it did. You'll see that a little bit better here on the 5-minute chart. That is where the stock opened. It rallied up for a little bit and then it pulled back, and that was the entry point right in there. You can't see the detail real well on the 5-minute chart, but the entry 1417, stop 1379, and you can see the whole trade here. Target 1 1464 on a nice little pop, and that was a good move for the stop that I had. That was a very nice move. The second target all the way to here, a retest of the high of the day. That was at about 130. And then it surged higher yet again, and about 20 minutes later I took the final target. It went a little bit higher into the close, but real good target taking. I was very happy with that overall on the 5-minute chart. 1-minute chart, you can see the entry a little bit better. As it came down in here, I took it right up in there. Again, that'd be over 1416 as it was rallying that third retest to the bottom. And then you can't see the targets on here because they're all off the chart here by a little bit. So there's the entry being shown a little bit better on the 1-minute chart. One of my favorite type of trades. The good thing about the choppy environment is you get some good entries like that very often. Overall, I'm not a big fan of the wide, sloppy environment we've had for the last month, but doing great nevertheless. Just got to be a little more patient on some of these mornings. DTS Trading Room, if you like my style of entry management, play selection, come join us. You can take a week trial of the DTS Trading Room, or you can join us. See the services page at the DTS website. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.